In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Claude AI chat history. By the end, you'll feel confident removing any conversation you no longer need while avoiding accidental deletions. First, head to Claude AI and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where the conversation resides, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. Give the page a moment to load after logging in so the interface can fully initialize. If the site looks different from what you expect, that's okay. Interfaces change over time, but the controls you need are the same in principle. Next, open the chat history or sidebar where your previous conversations are listed. On desktop, you'll typically find this on the left side of the screen. On mobile or smaller windows, you might need to tap a menu icon to reveal it. Once it's open, you'll see a chronological list of your chats, often named automatically by their topic. Take a moment to locate the conversation you want to remove. If you have many, scrolling or scanning for keywords in the titles can help you find it quickly. Now, to delete a specific chat, start by opening the chat you want to remove. Click it once to bring it into focus so you can confirm it's the right one. Skim the messages to make sure it is the conversation you intend to delete, especially if you have several with similar topics. It's always worth double-checking here, because deleting a conversation typically cannot be undone. With the chat open, look at the top of the conversation. You'll see either a three-dot menu, often shown as a vertical ellipsis, or the conversation name itself. Click the menu icon or the conversation name to reveal the available options. In that list, choose Delete or Clear Conversation. The exact wording may vary, but both lead to the same result: removing the selected chat from your history. If a confirmation prompt appears, read it and confirm that you truly want to delete the conversation. After confirming, the chat should disappear from your sidebar and no longer be accessible. If the sidebar doesn't update immediately, give it a moment. The change usually appears shortly. You can repeat this same process for any other conversations you want to remove, one at a time, ensuring you only delete what you intended. That's it. You've signed in, opened your chat history, selected the conversation, accessed its menu, and chosen Delete or Clear Conversation. Keeping your chat history tidy helps you stay organized and protects your privacy, especially on shared or work devices. Thanks for watching, and take care when deleting so you only remove the chats you truly no longer need.